I'm Scott Williams. I own Skyefire Bakery, and this is how we do it. What is sourdough? Sourdough is basically 3 ingredients: flour, water, salt, and a starter, which would be flour and water. Mixing is important. You need good hydration. We do about 40% water to flour. Rising and proofing. This is essential. It needs to proof long enough that you actually build the gluten structure after proper mixing, and to make sure you get the sugar development or you'll have no color. Baking is essential. You need the right temperature and steam. Steam is essential to good sourdough. Proper oven. You need, at home a Dutch oven is great. We use stone decks and that gives us the best result. This is how we do sourdough.